children into therapy can be so difficult. The average wait time can be up to 6 months for an appointment. It's even more difficult for families in rural areas to access mental health treatments their children need. And that is where a program from Nemours Children's Health is stepping in to help. Joining us this morning is Dr. Amanda Lockery with Nemours Children's Health. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Hey, can you tell us a little bit about PATH and what it means?
Absolutely. So PATH stands for Pediatric Acute Telemental Health Service. And what we are providing is rapid access to care. We know that families, as you mentioned, often have very long wait times to get access to services. And we also know that there has been an increase in the need for families to access mental health services for their children and adolescents. So it was important for us to not only make this available quickly for families, sometimes same day, but often within a week, and also make it so that families could go to a trusted source. As a parent, I know how important it is that when I'm looking for care for my children, I want to make sure that it comes from a place that I can trust. Nemours is well established in this community, and it was really important for us to provide this community resource from our trusted Nemours place.
So how do these appointments take place? Are they in person or are they telehealth?
Good question. So these appointments are provided through our telehealth platform. We have been providing telehealth services for years, even before the pandemic, and found it to be very effective for most families. The good thing about this is it allows us the most amount of flexibility and convenience for families. And we often do get the question of, I don't know how well my child will do on a telehealth platform or online meeting with somebody. And I want to reassure parents that it's really important that our mental health providers hear from you. We want families to get access to this care quickly. And if it means that we do an initial evaluation and it looks like there are other types of services, whether it's in-person appointments, more long-term therapy, specialized care for testing or other kinds of therapeutic services, our providers are trained and they are well versed in the community resources. So we will make sure that if we end up not being your long-term provider for that care, that we are able to get you access to those services that you need and do a warm handoff to the next place of service.
Probably important to keep in mind, too, kids seem to be a little less intimidated by technology than us adults. So
yes, usually they help parents get online.
Exactly, that is helpful. Okay, so I know having a high school student in my family, in St. Johns County, they don't get out of school until almost 4 o'clock. So are there flexible appointments available?
Great question. So that is absolutely what we are geared for. We know Jacksonville is large and spread out, and it often can take 30 to 45 minutes up to an hour to get to different locations within our Nemours community. So it was really important for us to provide this through our telehealth platform, but it was also important for us to make sure we had extended hours. So we are providing these services Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., on Fridays, 8 to 5 p.m. And a bonus day, which has been really successful, has been our Saturday appointment times, which are from 8 to 2.
Oh, wow, Saturday, that's huge. Okay, in the short time that we have left, Dr. Lockery, can you tell us, do you have to be a Nemours patient, and how do you make an appointment?
Great. So you do not have to be a Nemours patient. We welcome anyone from the community if they need access to resources. It's very easy to sign up. You can call to get an appointment through our 904-697-3600 main number, or you can also schedule an appointment through our Nemours app. If you go to our website, you can sign up for the Nemours app, and it will walk you through the process to get signed up to schedule a visit.
All right, Dr. Amanda Lockery from Nemours Children's Health, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.